Welcome back. Now the intake manifold is firmly fastened to the engine. I can now put the clamps on all the pipe work. I have split the original hose so it will fit over this adapter piece. Okay, this side is all bolted in, all the clamps are on. I still have leeway to set it up exactly how I want it, but I'm very happy with the way it's laid out. All I've done with this entire kit is just cut a couple of pipes and it's managed to clear everything, which is an absolute miracle. With the intercooler pipes bolted in place, I now need to see if the front bumper clears these two pipes here. There is an issue with the bumper going flush with these intercooler pipes in place. I don't think I will be able to take any more angle out of the pipes that come from the intercooler. This side is fractionally worse, so I will have to redesign the front bumper to allow for that. I think the most straightforward thing to do is to widen this front grille. So this seems to have alleviated the problem with the pipes. There will be a vented cover over this grille and it will protrude slightly so it will give extra room. I ended up ordering a Davies Craig water pump. This is an Australian company that specialise in external remote pumps. This pump can either be a direct replacement of the mechanical pump or it can run in line with it. As standard, this pump is set to have 35mm pipe. However, it does come with an adapter which will bulk it up to 42mm. So between the radiator, the engine inlet outlet and the pump, I have 32mm, 35mm and 38mm application. So somewhere along the line I need to make some adapters. I'm thinking 32mm ID hose is plenty big enough for this application. So I just need to get some 38 to 32mm adapters and some 35 to 32mm adapters, 2 of each. In order to get the pipe to run across the top of the intercooler from the engine, I can use the original pipe from the radiator. Somewhere around here I will cut it, and then that's when I'll have the reducer to go into the 32mm ID tube. Exactly the same method will be used for the bottom of the engine. Now you can see where this pipe rises up, and it will join this one en route across the top behind the light here. As you can see, the intercooler pipe has taken up quite a lot of space where I wanted to run it initially, down this gap here. Now they're going to be routed, they'll meet here, and then they'll come over the back of the light, in between the oil filler and the light, and then have a gentle curve around the support, down and through the bulkhead. So I think I've revised my plan slightly on this pump. I did want to mount it at the lowest point in the system, down here. I think having it down in this corner, it won't be able to route very well underneath the seat. However, there should be plenty of space on the outside of the seat. Potentially the pipes can come straight over this edge and go across the top of the seat rails, and then I can box them in so they're hidden. This being said, the pump can actually be relocated further back, under here somewhere. The main reason I am just finalising this now is I need to know what adapters I need, whether I need right angles or straight adapters. Having the pump back here and using the fittings that came with the kit, I just need straight line adapters. Now I have the ducting for the rear quarters. I need to come up with a good way of drawing the air into the car. I have plenty of cardboard to do some CAD design, so I'll get to it. I've changed the design slightly. I will no longer use these pieces, but I will just get some more of these. These are the ones that are already inserted in the back of the car that duct to the radiator itself. This will be the part of the blanking plate that goes on the rear quarters, so I'll just put them in each hole. Now that I have these plates made up, I can loosely slot them into the car. If I tape them in place, roughly, then I can take the rear quarters off. I can make the frame that holds this piece to the body shell, and then I can put the quarters back on to make the duct itself. create as much flow as possible, so this bottom piece I will tilt up as high as I can. I have just gone round and marked out where I want to make the tabs on these plates. I can use these tabs then to rivet these pieces to the car and to this plate here.